everyone. Happy New Year. So, today in this nail slay, we're going to be using these two products. Now, first we're going to be using the BTArtbox and the coffin nails. Okay, we're going to be using the Modelones nail gels, which come in 6 different colors. These are some awesome, beautiful colors, okay? And then they're in the glitter, my favorite, the glitter. Take our base coats because, of course, I've already prep my nails, put the base coat on it, let it dry with my lamp. So you're going to take, and after you rough up the inside of that nail, which you can use, a nail file, a drill, or you can use a nail file, but we're going to put some more of the base coat in here like that. Okay. Stick it on. There we go. Just need to hold this. I'm going to put it under the lamp to dry. And I'll be back. Look at that. This, let me tell you, this dip, it's a great alternate to, putting the nail glue on. And look, just look like little clear nails. This bad boy is on. These are not coming off. They're not coming off no time soon. So, let's look at the Modelones nail gels. Like I said, these are some beautiful colors. If y'all know me, I am a glitter lover. With this, you get the 6 beautiful colors. You also get a brush. You can stick it there. You get the brush that comes with it. Okay, let me show you the colors. These colors are gorgeous. Look at that. Can you see that? It's a beautiful white, shimmery. Like I said, they glitter. So, of course, all of them sparkle. This is, this is the pink. Which one is this? Ooh. This is, look, I'm about to spill it. This is a hot pink. It looks purple, but it's a hot pink. So you have your white, your light pink, your hot pink. This right here, this is a beautiful purple. Look at that. Beautiful. A beautiful purple. And which one is this one? Okay, this is a beautiful gold. And last but not least, this is a beautiful silver. And the silver, it has kind of like a little blue sparkles and stuff in it. But the Modelones, their nail gels, their pouch, they are just great. You get it in these pretty little boxes, and it gives you the instructions and everything in it in order for you to use it. But today, I think I'm going to use the whites. And, yeah, I think I'm going to use pink. Okay? I'm going to use these 2 colors. So look at that. Look how pretty that came out. Oh, you can see it. It's white. It's pink and white. I added both colors to it. So you can see it with that one. I don't know. I don't know. But, hey, great nail hack. Like I said, the base coat is a great alternative to putting on the glue and then, putting your nails on and the acrylic and everything. These will last you anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. It depends on what you're doing with your hands. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.